The UENDURE Original Tea Infuser bottle has revolutionized the way you brew and enjoy your tea. The double opening makes cleaning a snap. The removable stainless steel infusers make it simple for you to brew our healthy and exotic flavors. The bottles are BPA-free and double-walled, designed for easy handling. The locking flip-top lids are also available for even more convenience. These leak-proof bottles make on-the-go drinking a snap. Try them with all of our premium organic tea flavors. UENDURE. Live, love, be healthy.